And today, we will show you how to open the XPS 13 convertible and what's inside of it. To get this device opened, you need to undo 8 Torx head screws. After that, carefully pry the bottom panel with a plastic tool. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Here we see a battery with a 51 watt-hours capacity. Unfortunately, both the memory and the storage here are soldered to the motherboard, so there is no way to upgrade your convertible XPS 13. On the bright side, the cooling solution comprises a vapor chamber and 2 rather small fans. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to